The 1971 elections and restoration of Congress. With the split of Congress, the Indira Gandhi government became a minority but held on to power with the help of other parties that provided issue-based support. In 1970, Indira Gandhi recommended for the dissolution of Lok Sabha. General elections were to take place in February 1971. The contest. Odds were against Congress R. It joined hands with CPI. A grand coalition was formed by socialists and non-Congress parties. The positive thing for new Congress was that it has an agenda or a poll plank which the other parties lacked. She gave the slogan "Garibi Hatao," remove poverty. Through the slogan, she tried to get the support of Dalits, Adivasis, landless laborers, women and minorities. This was her strategy to build a nationwide political support.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.